Wake up with Matt in the morning.
Hey guys, Matt here with Matt in the morning. How's it going? Hey, thanks for waking up with me once again. Today, we're doing a thing that I saw on Facebook. Just flipping through and I saw this video on like best cheeseburger, ways to do cheese. I don't even know what it was called. I'll be honest. I just saw cheeseburgers and I thought, what's this? And now keep in mind, I've already kind of skipped ahead. So up here, that's where you'll see me just kind of getting the burger ready. But what they do is they make little slider patties and then put it in pizza dough with cheese and bacon, and then you toss it in the oven. Little egg wash and stuff too on it, of course. Toss it in the oven. Once you're done, you dip it in ketchup or mustard, whatever you like. And it's like little cheeseburger bites. So I thought, I want to try this. I want to try it. So again, up here, I've already mixed up the burger, and I just use, and just make the burger however you'd normally make it. You know, if you're making hamburgers, you know, I use salt, pepper, garlic, and some Worcestershire sauce. Mix it up. That's it. I keep it simple. Do whatever you want. These below, I got them burgers going. These might be a little too big. I don't really know. We're gonna find out though. My first time doing this. And here's the thing too, if this is good, if this comes out prime time, then next time when I do them, I'll actually do them on the smoker. I just didn't feel like dragging the smoker out. We don't have the deck built yet, so I didn't want to drag the smoker out front and get it all going. But next time we'll use the smoker and smoke these puppies. I'm also using just the microwave, the pre-made microwave bacon. That's okay. Next time again, I'd let some nice thick cut bacon, do it right. But here we are, again, never done this, so let's try it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and cook the burgers, and then I'll bring you back when it's time to get these things folded up into the dough, and we'll do an egg wash. So let's see what happens. I think it's gonna be good. Okay, everybody, I just wanna say for the record, I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing with this. When it comes to dough, dough is new to me. I'm not a bread maker. Ooh, I do want to make some bread for a video. Anyways, I have some pre-made Pillsbury, pop the can, spread it out, pizza dough. Got it sliced up into sections, should be enough to do all the burgers we got. So you can see, boom, a little fast forward there, burgers are done. Let's just do it. Oh, by the way, I don't have sesame seeds. You'll see that part in a minute, so I'm using Trader Joe's Everything But the Bagel Sesame Seasoning Blend. It's gonna be way better than just sesame seeds. So, you got your dough, you got your burger. Now, piece of cheese, burger, piece of cheese, piece of bacon, burger, piece of cheese, piece of bacon. I do know I made these burgers too big. First and foremost, when you watch the video, they made like half the size of this. These are more bite-sized, the one in the video. Mine are more like appetizer size. A couple of these would be a meal. So, you do that. In the video, it shows them folding it over. A little too much dough there. This might be a disaster, everybody. I'm just gonna be honest with you. Be perfectly honest with you. Boom, and I'm putting it on the tray. Next. Might be a disaster, folks. But you know what? They can't all be winners, right? We'll just see what happens. So let's just finish building these things. We'll get them in the oven, and we'll just go for it. You don't know if something's good or bad until you try it. Yeah, that's a hole there. I don't know. I think either way, these aren't going to be bad, though. You know what I mean? Something like this, burgers and bacon and cheese. I am unsure how this could go wrong. One thing that I thought would be fun to add, I'm not going to this time, I just want to do it. I'd say like the video, but mine are definitely not coming out like the video. But I was thinking if these do come out pretty good, where I want to do them again and a little more gooder, do them again more gooder. I think, man, would it be cool to add like a little thin slice of onion? What about a pickle? You think that might be good? I think so. Why not do everything that would normally go in a burger? But we'll see what happens here. This, oh man, it's too thin. I don't know. You know what? Either way, I'm putting this video out because why not? Boom. Okay. Now, I can tell you I'm not happy with these. Now, an egg wash. I just use an egg with some heavy cream, heavy whipping cream. Do an egg wash on these puppies. And then we're gonna pour some of that Trader Joe's everything but the bagel sesame seed seasoning blend stuff. It's good. Stephanie loves it. A little egg wash on here. Again, I have no idea what I'm doing here. I have no idea, folks. I have no idea. So, boom, boom, boom. Oh yeah, that's gonna kick it up a notch. Screw using regular sesame seeds, right? All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, at this point, we're gonna throw it in the oven at 360 degrees for I can't remember how long, so I'll get back to you on that. I'll be back. Okay, well, I gotta admit, I am pleasantly surprised with the outcome of these, even though I did make the burger bigger than they did on the video. Still actually worked out pretty good. As you can see down below, there we go, there we got them, and it was 30 minutes at 360. And these things look great. They smell great. There's those. I've got some plated already with some ketchup and mustard. Boom. Yeah, I thought it was going to be a crap show, people. But there we go. Got the cheese, the bacon, the burger. Then you just simply dip it in whatever you want and eat it. Huh. I like them. Again, the burgers are too big. You know, these are going to be better with burgers like half this size. So, I will do these again. I'll make the burgers half the size. I'll smoke them on the smoker because that'll really add another level of flavor in here. That'll take these really to the next level. And then maybe make some sort of a spicy aioli, couldn't say that, to go with them for dipping or something like that. And I will do some thinly sliced onion and maybe even a pickle in it. So really make it a true bacon cheeseburger bite. So wow, no, these are, I gotta tell you, this whole time, ever since I started making these here at the beginning, I thought this is not gonna turn out good. This is gonna be terrible. Well, I knew it'd be edible. I knew it was some good items together, but yeah, okay. These were a good one. Bacon cheeseburger bites, good to go. Mine are, of course, bacon cheeseburger gigantic bites, but these are good. Oh, and get the Trader Joe's everything but the bagel seasoning for the top. That kicked it off a notch versus basic sesame seeds. That added flavor on the top there, you get that right away, that seasoning salt, all the stuff from it. That hits you first. And yeah, wow, I'm very, very happy with these. All right, we'll do them again. I don't know what I'll call the next video for these, but we will do these again later on this summer when I get the deck, get the smoker out there, get the flat top going. We will be doing these again. So we'll circle back next time. We'll make these right, and we'll add some flair to it. So, see you in a little bit. Oh, by the way, you notice I got my little... Anyways, gotta go.